Welcome back to my channel. I am Algebra Solution. We will solve this nice problem. So solution: 8 raised to power 9 plus 8 raised to power 9 plus 8 raised to power 9 plus 8 raised to power 9. So 8 is 4 times. So we will take common 8 raised to power 9. 8 raised to power 9 plus 1 equal to 8 raised to power 9 into 1 plus 1, that is 4. We can write 8 raised to power 9 is 2 raised to power 3 raised to the power 9 into 4. We can write 2 square. We can write here power raised to power formula we can use. A raised to power m raised to the power n equal to a raised to power m into n. This formula we can use here. Now 2 raised to power 3 multiply 9 into 2 square. Here we can write 3 to the 3 9 the 27, 2 raised to power 27 into 2 raised to power 2. Here we can use formula. Which formula we will do? A raised to power m into a raised to power n equal to a raised to power m plus n. This formula we can apply here. So 2 raised to power 27 plus 2 equal to 2 raised to power 29. This is the answer. Thanks for watching the whole video. If you are new on the channel, so you can subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.